Hello people, how are you today? Are you looking at buying this lawnmower? It's powered by battery. I'm going to show you the battery in a minute. Here it is. This is how it is. So it comes with extra blades. Each of these is a pair. You have a pair, a pair, a pair, a pair, and a pair. That's about 5 pairs of extra blades, and you can only connect one at a time. That means you have 10 blades that you can use. And then it also comes with a spare of this. You can see I've already connected one. I'm using it. I'm going to show you how it functions in a minute. So that means it comes with a total of 12 blades, 2 of this one and 10 of this. Now let me show you the battery. This is the battery. You can press this button here to eject the battery. So I've just ejected the battery. It's a 21 volts battery, and you can plug the adapter here and recharge it. Okay, let me show you how it functions. So when you look at this compound, you see, check the garden. You see on this side, this is a grown side. I haven't cut this side. On this side, this way I've already cut. You can see how it functions. Now let me just show you here. I don't know if you can see this clearly. I've just cut this middle, this part. I've just cut it, you see. So it can cut really well, but my advice is that you try to get an extra battery. Because what I usually do is, when I use it for some time, I unplug the battery, then I go and recharge it. I recharge the battery, then I fix it back. I use it again. When the battery runs down, I charge it. I come back to cut. So my advice is that you get an extra battery so you can swap batteries. So let's give it a try and see how it cuts. So you can see I've just cut this side now. You can see. So that's how it functions. If you like it, I haven't used it for too long anyway. I've just bought it. I've been using it for about 4 days now. So if you want it and you feel it's good for you, then you can go for it. But try to get extra battery if you have a big garden and you want to use it consistently. Right, thanks guys. I'm not paid to do this, I'm just doing it. Yeah, thanks guys. See ya.